What's going on, developers? Welcome back to another quick tutorial. So in this video we will learn about the animation stuff, how we can apply the cool animation in our application to make the great UI UX element. So in order to do that, go to your Chrome and search the Lottie animation. Only Lottie animation, yeah, you heard it right. So the first link comes up with the Lotify's website. So this website will provide you the free and the paid animation, and also the Loti animation creators are also available on this website. You can hire them for your own custom animations. So before we start, you need to uh, implement the Android library in order to work on Android. So all the way to bottom here on the right hand side, the Loti Android library, open open the tab in the new, and here is the implementation of the Loti itself a library for the Loti animations. Copy that line and come back to your fresh Android project and open up the build.gradle script and paste it here and sync the project. So yeah, that's all about it. That's done. And come back to Loti animation website and select whatever animation you love and you want to apply in your application. These animations are free right now in front of you. Here also you can purchase the paid animation as well. So come back to the free animations, and so if you want the first animation, if I choose the first animation, you want this animation to apply in your Android application. So open up the animation that you love to, and you can customize the background color as well. And on the top right side, you can see the download button. There are multiple options: Loti JSON, zip, animated GIF, and MP4 file. I recommend you to download the Loti JSON file, which is pretty simple. Just click on it. The file will be download on your system. So just rename it according to, call it simpler, new. I think that's pretty simple for now. And in the resource directory, you have to create a one more directory. Right click and the Android resource directory, select the Android resource directory and name it the raw file. I have already created, and the animation I have also provided that you can see on my emulator phone. So I'm going to paste the new animation right here. So yeah, that's the JSON file seems to look like. Don't be afraid and come back to your XML part. Let me remove all the existing animation so I can show you from the scratch. This is my scratch XML file, and write down the Loti animation view and the size, up to you what you can do, and 250 dp. And the files I love to provide Loti raw resource, and the new, okay, 1 second. I think that's the syncing problem, that the new file is not selecting, but let me write down the new, and the autoplay should be true and the loop I want true. Now play the application and see what the output. New is not a valid resource name. All okay. So it's showing me the error that, let me delete the file. The new keyword is, I think, is already in something in Android project. So new lib, I think, will be the good, and paste it here. And now new lib. Okay, I can't. So I renamed the file name of to from new to new lib. in order to avoid the conflict. And let me see, the project is Murder Building running. Here it is. So you can see this, how it is simpler and how it is too much easy to apply cool animation in Android application. You don't have to write extra functionality like in Java or in Kotlin. Just you have to put down your code in XML, which is pretty short. And the website Looty Animation have a lot of animations. You can download the free one and the paid one as well, and also you can hire the custom Looty Animation creator in order to, if you want to make them for your own product or whatever you want. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, you liked it. Make sure you subscribe and like. I'll see you in the next video.